Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun. This is short division method, alright? We've looked at the long division method. Let's look at the short division method. I told you that is a shorter way of doing the longer one, alright? So in the short division video, we use 264 divided by 3, alright? And that's the same thing we're going to use here. And in that video also, we talked about daddy, mommy, and sister. All right, divide, multiply, subtract. The same procedure. The only difference is that you're not going to write everything out, okay? And you can make yourself comfortable. There are different ways. You could have it this way. And then I've also seen this in some textbook. Okay. All right. So different ways. You could even have it this way. If you are working in let's say objective question and you don't need to show your workings, I prefer this one. This is what I use personally. All right, so I just put my answer in front so that I can easily carry my remainders. Okay, all right, so I'll start with this, my own personal method, and I'll come back to this. It's just the same thing we're going to do in everything. So daddy, mommy, and sister. So we divide digit by digit. Very important. Take it one by one. At the end of the solution, I will tell you the reason why I've always emphasized you should take it one by one. Don't combine the digits except you're taking a remainder to the next one. All right, don't just pick and say this and then multiply and divide. No. All right, I take it one by one, step by step, up. All right, so 3 in 2 is 0. Once I'm dividing a number that is smaller, I know the answer is 0. So I'm just asking, how many 3s can you get in my 2 tiny fingers? 0, right? And remainder 2. So you can get 0, but it's still remaining what? 2. So I take the remainder to the next digit. Now I have, and it becomes the tens. So that will be 26. So 3 in 26. Next, I check what's the closest multiple of 3 to 26. That's 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 9 is 27. 27 is more than 26. So I go back to 3 times 8, 24. So that means I can find 3 in 26 8 times. So 3 in 26 will be 8. Remainder what? So how do I get my remainder? I know that 3 times 8 is 24. And then I subtract 24 from 28, and that is 2. Okay? So the remainder goes to the next digit as the tens, right? So that will be 24. Now 3 in 24. I know that 3 times 8 is 24, right? So the answer is 8. Done. No remainder. So my answer is 88. So, all right. Remember what brothers does for us. It checks. So brother will check by multiplying this to see if our answer is correct. So if I do the same thing here, I get the same answer. 3 in 2. So I'll do it as fast as possible. 3 in 2 is 0. Remainder 2. 3 in 26 is 8. Remainder 2. 3 in 24 is 8. Over here too, 3 in 2 is 0. 3 remainder 2. 3 in 26 is 8. Remainder 2. And 3 in 24 is 8. So brother, check for us. So we do check. 88. 088 is the same thing as 88, right? Times 3 to see if we get 264. 3 times 8 is 24. So 4 carry 2, and 3 times 8 is 24 again, plus 2, 26. So we have 264. Correct. Now, let me tell you why I said you should take it one by one. Let me do it here. When you have repeated numbers or digits, like something like this, 1515 divided by 3. If you don't take it one by one, some funny friends will just say 3 in 15, 5. 3 in 15, 5. Done. But that will give you the wrong answer. And that's why in division, You just take it digits by digits. Go 3 in 1. Take the remainder to the next one, digits by digits until you're done. Never you combine the digits and just pick it up. All right. Through practice, you discover that you can do that at the beginning. All right, but not at the middle of the number. Thank you. Go over the video and let me have your feedback in the comments. Thanks and God bless. Bye.